Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with WeChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back, and this is kind of an old school tutorial where we'll be making origami boxes. These boxes will be very useful at your desk, in your drawer, to arrange different kinds of stuffs. These are some square boxes, these are some rectangular boxes, and you can arrange different types of things like pencils. I have my pen drives, I have my watch, which I arrange using those boxes in my drawers. So without further delay, let's get started. So guys, for this origami box, we'll need a square piece of paper. So first we need to fold from this point to this point along the horizontal axis. Now you fold it again from the center to make a smaller square. Now you can see there are 4 flaps. So we put one flap on this side from edge to edge, properly forming a triangle. Turn it around, you put one flap on this side. Now you open this, it opens from this side, you open it, this is how it looks. Fold it inwards, press it properly. You are left with 2 flaps, so one flap on this side, another on this side. Open this entire thing. So this is what you can see. This is how we get it. Now you have this center crease, so you fold it like this. This fold is just for reference. Fold it at this side, like in reverse direction. Now there are 2 flaps again, so one you fold it like this, press it properly. Another you fold it like this. So initially it was like this, so you just need to fold it like this. Open it back. We need to repeat the same for this portion now. So we first fold it like this. Press it properly. Now taking this as the reference, you fold it like this. One flap on this side and one flap on this side. Open it back. This is how it looks. So now you pick any side, you open these flaps, and then you fold this properly. From here also you fold it. This is how it looks. Now all you need to do is slowly, you can use this crease and then you fold it like this. Similarly on this side, inwards, yeah, this way. So, and then you need to fold this like this and then press it properly. This is how it looks, and similarly you do it on this side. You just fold it from here, inward fold, and then lock it like this. This is the origami box. You can make such multiple boxes and keep it in your desk or drawer so that things remain separated or things remain arranged. I have my Mi Band, which I can just flip it like this and put it in here. So guys, for this rectangular box, all we need is a square piece of paper. So first, you fold it from this point to this point along the horizontal axis, halfway like this. Then we fold on like this to make a smaller square. Open it back. This is how it looks. You have an X crease formed. Now you fold this along these creases to these creases, so approximately something like this. It looks. Similarly, you do it on the exact opposite side, and not on the sides, like this. Now you open this back, you have this crease over here, so now you need to fold this bottom line like this till that crease. Similarly, we do it on this side. Like this. Now you fold this portion till the center. So let's first fold it like this. We get the center crease and then we fold it till the center. Like this. This is how it looks. Now you have this fold, you fold it till this corner like this. So it comes till here. Let me just fix the exposure. Give me a sec. Yeah, I hope this is clean now. Yeah. So now you need to fold the exact same way from this side till this corner, like this. Now you need to fold it till this point, this intersection point, this entire side edge, like this. Similarly, you do it on this side. Press it properly. Now open it back. Now you need to fold this entire horizontal edge, bottom edge, till the center. Like this. Similarly, you do it on this side. Oops, I think this went wrong. Let me fold it properly. Yeah. Now you see there are 3 cuts over here. One is here, one is here, and one is here. You fold it along these cuts properly, like this. You fold it like this so that you get those cuts properly, like this. You can just roll it over those creases. Similarly, open it back, and similar thing you can do it on this side. Just go on rolling over those creases. It's okay if it doesn't match edge to edge. Try to match it slightly, like this, and then you have the next crease and the next crease. Now you open these 2 side edges like this, and you need to fold it at this point. So this is the third edge, considering from this side. So 1, 2, 3, this is the third edge. You fold it like this and you fold this crease inwards, something like this. You have a crease over there already. You just need to press it and fold it inwards like this, and then pack these using the side edge like this, and then press it properly. This is how it looks. Similarly, we repeat the same on this side. So fold it at the third edge and then fold it internally like this in this triangle. Similarly, you do it on this side. It automatically folds because you already have those creases like this. Press it tightly and then roll it over. So this is how the rectangular box looks like. I have one more made. So you can make any rectangular size, depends upon what you want to keep in these. And that's it for this video. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share my channel to as many as you can. Most important, click the bell icon to get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you all back in my next video. Take care, guys.